got a new toy?
Uh-huh.
What toy did you get?
The toy Alex.
What is it?
It's the toy Alex.
Yeah?
And this one is the makeup one.
Is it Rarity? My Little Pony Equestria Girl Minis?
Now can I open it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait. Now, just like that right now, you can collect all of them.
You can collect all the ponies.
Uh-huh. They have Applejack, Candy Pie, Twilight, Fluttershy, Birdie, and Rainbow Dash. I the pony.
Awesome.
That for Spike. Those ones. You put the hair dryer in here. You can close this. You can close this.
Whoa.
This is so real.
It's so real?
Uh-huh. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Her arms can move.
There you go.
Here's her chest for her makeup too. Oh my gosh. I look gross. I need to wash me. Now I need to wash my hands first. Where's my soap? Oh, here's my soap. Put my soap right here.
Uh-oh.
And this is for my hair. I can't wait to dry my hair.
Can't forget Opal.
Meow. I need to wash you. Meow, meow. Meow. Oh, I look so pretty. Oh, don't you think that smells beautiful? It's just getting the nail polish. Oh! Oh, it's okay. Look.
Oh, her dress comes off.
Uh-huh. No, her skirt.
Oh, just her skirt?
Uh-huh. Not her dress.
Oh.
It's not a dress.
Oh.
This is her bathing suit.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Where's my shower? Uh-oh. My shower! I need a shower. If I go to sleep. Woo! Now I need to do my makeup. I need to do my makeup oval for everybody thinks. All my friends will think I will look at my nail polish and my cheeks pink. Where's my brush? Giant Mommy, can you
Yes?
please tell me where my brush is? Look, you can take this off.
Oh, it's removable?
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Ooh, there's shells on it too. Now my cheeks pink. I'm ready to go to sleep.
Oh! do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite part?
There.
You like the sink?
Because there's a real mirror.
Because there's a real mirror?
Uh-huh.
You can see yourself?
Uh-huh.
That's awesome. I got a surprise.
Wonder which one you got.
Need some help? Oh, don't use your teeth. I'll help you.
Thanks. We got the one with the shoe. It's a baby one. Look at her. Look at her.
Let me see. Aw, so cute.
They like each other.
Aw.
Now Ovo has a friend to play with.
Awesome.
Like and subscribe.